Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be teaching you how to use Cactus AI to code. Let's start! What we need to do first is go to www.cactus.ai and sign in. The first that you will see is the page's dashboard. Hover onto coding and click. You will see various types of coding like Java, Python, etc. Let's use Python. It will ask you to enter a code prompt, and I have one on my clipboard for a navigation bar. Let us then click Create Code to generate. And as you can see, it has given me the code for my navigation bar, which I can then copy and paste on my program. Beside the Create Code button, you can also ask the AI to explain the code and then it will do so.